All right, I think the best way to actually describe the differences or what an AI agent is actually to describe the difference of an AI agent versus a co-pilot, because I think we've become accustomed to co-pilots. ChatGPT is a co-pilot, Gemini is a co-pilot, Claude is a co-pilot. All of these kind of AI assistant applications are co-pilots. So let me walk through a real use case that I think will exist in the future for marketers around content marketing. So today, if you have a co-pilot, the way this works is if you're using AI to do content and you have to use AI, Kip and I are telling you to be in the 5%, you have to start using these tools. If you're not using these tools, probably not the show for you. This is the show for the 5%. And so the co-pilot helps you figure out what research to do, right? So this is me constructing a blog post or some content. It then does it can do the research for you if you prompt them. You can like look at the research. You can figure out, how do I create an interesting post? You can ask and prod the co-pilot to suggest some titles, to suggest some introductions. You use all those suggestions to put together the content. And then you write that first draft. You get some feedback from the co-pilot, and then you actually post that content. Then you probably look at your data and say, okay, well, how did this perform? Look to see what went well, what didn't, and incorporate those learnings into your next batch of content. And that's kind of how you use co-pilots as like an assistant.